I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse California Law Group. Today we're talking about Faretta Motions, your right to represent yourself in a California criminal case. A Faretta motion is a legal request you file when you want to act as your own lawyer in a felony or misdemeanor proceeding. This right comes from the Sixth and 14th Amendments of the United States Constitution. But here's the catch. The court only grants this motion if you make the decision knowingly, intelligently, voluntarily, and understand the dangers of going it alone. Before approval, a judge holds what's called a Faretta hearing. During this hearing, the judge asks questions to ensure you're mentally competent and fully aware of what self-representation involves. If your motion is denied, you must hire an attorney or accept a court-appointed one. You can later change your mind and request legal representation again, and the court typically grants a continuance under Penal Code Section 1050 to allow your new attorney time to prepare. Although you have the right to represent yourself, here at Shouse Law Group, we rarely recommend it for felony or misdemeanor cases. You could seriously hurt your case without realizing it. A skilled and experienced criminal defense attorney gives you the best chance to fight your charges and move on with your life.